As a student in the full-time program, you will have the opportunity to interface with your colleagues throughout the day. You may be sitting in the library in a study group in one of our study rooms. You will be in the classroom learning the law, and you also may be engaged in simulation courses. The nice part about being in the full-time program also is that the court is in session. The law school is located directly across the street from both a federal courthouse and a state courthouse. You will have the opportunity to practice law in those courthouses under the supervision of a licensed New York attorney.
My first day here, I was surprised and really happy about how nice everyone was. I think law school has a notion behind it that everyone's super competitive and it can be nerve-wracking, but the first week everyone was really open, very sweet, and I could just tell that this was the place for me.
One of the things that is particular about Touro is the position that I hold as Director of Neighborhood Programs. We want to, instead of having people come to the law school to get services or to get information, we want to go out to the community and interact with the neighborhood. And so from that perspective, the students get involved with the community and with the idea of practicing law and interacting with real clients with real problems.
At Touro, you have the opportunity to participate in one of 15 clinics. If you'd rather work for a law firm or for a government agency, we have about 300 potential externships available for you.
The most fulfilling part of my time here is kind of the people that I'm surrounded by. The teachers are fantastic people, but also my fellow full-time students are some of my friends for life. We go through kind of a tough experience here in terms of working hard and studying all day, and you kind of build these relationships with these people that you know you'll have for a long time.